We have come to the site of Geotechnical Investigations. This is a small site where redevelopment is going to take place, and for that this particular soil investigation is being carried out. So you can see at my back the winch is being operated, and we will try to see the details of the geotechnical investigation. As you can view in this video, the complete winch machine assembly consists of eye sections or channel sections, and while doing the mobility, all these separate parts are brought to the site, and then on site they are assembled by using nut and bolts, as you can view here. And then on that, two wooden heavy pieces they are kept, and on those wooden heavy pieces the 5 horsepower winch machine is installed. Then it is joined with these running belts, and the power is transmitted to the rig. Initially, the center of the drill rod is matched with that of the borehole as per the plan, borehole location plan, and after setting up that, manual excavation is carried out. When you carry out the manual excavation, you need to take care that whatever utilities are there, as you can see, there is one pipe here in between. So those utilities should not get disturbed. Then water is added in the trench and it is recirculated. As you are observing here, the pipe is coming from the trench that sucks water with the help of this pump, and then the water is sent to the winch machine through another pipe. So that pipe is connected at the top of the drilling rod, and through the annular space between the drilling rod, that water goes down back to the pit. So it is circulated like that. If while rotating the drilling rod goes out of center, then as you are observing here, that lever is pulling it back and bringing it to the position. While drilling, when one extension rod completely gets embedded into the ground, then at the top of it, next rod is added. You can see in video how he is adding the rod. So the next rod is fitted at the top of the earlier rod, tied it properly, and then the top of the new rod is attached to the drilling rig this way. Once this is done, then the machine is restarted. So for restarting, the wheels are rotated by rotating with the handle, and at the same time the valve is pushed back, so the machine starts by leaving the smoke, and you understand that the machine has been started. Once the intended depth is reached, then machine is stopped, pipe is hammered and released, and then rock sample is taken out. For that purpose, first you need to open the pipe with the help of chain pana, as it is called on the site. Okay, chain wrench. And then the pipe is opened by rotating the wheel, so that, as you can see here, the Lower pipe is held tightly with this chain spanner, and the upper pipe is rotated and taken out. Then the drilling rod assembly is shifted back for taking out the pipe. Now before taking out the pipe, some sand and water is added from the top of the pipe. It goes down, and if there is a gap between the collected sample and wall of the barrel, then that is filled with this sand so that friction is developed between the rock sample collected within the barrel and the wall of barrel. And because of that, there are no chances that the sample will slip down while taking the pipe out. There is a tube barrel and sample catcher at the bottom of these extension pipes. So it is taken out. See, at the base you can see the smaller part of the tube barrel, and then this part is hammered and the sample is taken out of the tube barrel. See how the sample is falling. So this is how the rock sample is taken out. Thereafter, the rock sample is placed in a core box, and as you can observe, this is the third stretch of 1.5 meter. So within every stretch, a vertical piece of timber is attached, and this is how it is arranged. When the drilling is completed, borehole is completed, so a complete core box looks like this. This is how geotechnical investigations are carried out.